stop touching it. Your Model Y is supposed to light up on its own. Today we're installing the dynamic LED power door handle kit. Open the package and you'll find 4 door control modules, 4 replacement door handles, 1 main control box, a power harness, a hardware kit, and zip ties. That's everything you'll need for the installation. We'll start with the front door. Remove the red access plug on the side of the door, then loosen the retaining screw. Remove the 2 screws underneath the armrest. Pry off the small speaker cover and disconnect the white clip along with the 2 electrical connectors. Carefully remove the door panel. Peel back the sound insulation and disconnect all of the wiring connectors inside the door panel. Before removing the window glass or inner carrier panel, make sure to manually lock the door and raise the window completely. Next, disconnect the remaining connectors from the inner carrier panel. Remove the 3 rubber covers and peel back the ceiling plugs. Remove all of the carrier panel mounting bolts, including the 2 bolts below the speaker. Remove the window weather strip. Then manually loosen the 2 window retaining bolts. Be sure to loosen them by hand. On the front door, only remove the outer retaining bolt completely while leaving the inner bolt slightly loosened. You can now safely remove the window glass, followed by the inner carrier panel. Disconnect the factory door handle connector and remove the factory handle assembly. Now disassemble the factory handle by removing the inner retaining screw. Press down while rotating the factory sensor ring to remove it. Gently release the locating tab before pushing out the handle pivot pin. Then release the 4 clips on the back to remove the handle frame and take out the factory handle. Grab the replacement handle for the correct side and transfer the factory return spring onto the new handle. Feed the new handle wiring through the factory handle assembly. Install the new handle, reinstall the handle frame, and insert the pivot pin back into place. Make sure the handle operates smoothly before continuing. Next, install the matching control module onto the back of the handle assembly until it clicks into place. Organize the wiring neatly and connect the control module harness to the handle harness. Reinstall the retaining screw removed earlier. Now install the new sensor ring by pressing it down and rotating it into the locked position. Take the included hardware from the accessory kit install it into the upper left mounting hole next to the sensor ring and tighten the retaining screw securely. Reinstall the completed door handle assembly. Into the vehicle and tighten the 3 mounting screws. Reconnect the factory door handle connector. Then disconnect the door lock connector and install the new handle harness in line with the factory door lock connector. Secure the new wiring to the factory wiring path using the included zip ties. This step is important to ensure the wiring won't interfere with the window during operation. Now it's time to reassemble the door. Reinstall the inner carrier panel. Tighten all mounting bolts. And reconnect every factory electrical connector. Reinstall the window glass and hand tighten the 2 window retaining bolts first. Once the glass is properly aligned, fully tighten both bolts. Reinstall the ceiling plugs and the 3 rubber covers. Reconnect all door panel connectors. Reinstall the sound insulation. Reinstall the door panel. Snap the speaker cover back into place. Tighten the side retaining screw and the 2 armrest screws. Then reinstall the red access plug. The front door is now complete. The rear door installation is almost identical, with just a few differences. Remove the 2 armrest screws, remove the door panel, peel back the sound insulation, and disconnect all door panel connectors. Remove the window weather strip and the 4 rubber covers. Manually lock the window. Then remove both window retaining bolts completely before removing the window glass. Disconnect all connectors from the inner carrier panel . Remove all mounting bolts . And take out the carrier panel. Remove the factory door handle . Then transfer the new handle and control module using the exact same procedure as the front door. Once installed, reconnect the factory door handle connector. Connect the new harness in line with the door lock connector . And secure the wiring along the factory harness using the supplied zip ties. Reassemble the rear door by reinstalling the carrier panel. Reconnecting all electrical connectors. Reinstalling the window glass. Hand tightening the window bolts, adjusting the glass position. And then fully tightening the bolts. Reinstall the rubber covers. Reconnect the door panel wiring. Reinstall the sound insulation and secure the door panel with the 2 armrest screws. Repeat the same installation process on the opposite side of the vehicle. Finally, move to the passenger side footwell. Remove the door seal, triangular side trim, retaining clip, and door sill trim. Take the main power harness and plug the large connector into the factory power connector. Next, locate the red and black power wires. Open the front trunk and remove the air intake trim panel. Using a fish tape, route the red power wire through the factory rubber grommet. You'll need to make a small opening in the grommet first. Pull the red wire through and connect it to the 12V battery positive terminal, securing it with the supplied nut. Reinstall the air intake trim and close the front trunk. Then connect the black wire to the factory ground point. Finally, plug the power harness into the main control box. Neatly organize and secure all excess wiring and reinstall the door sill trim. Retaining clip, triangular side trim, and door seal. That's it! Your dynamic LED power door handle kit is fully installed and ready to use.